I am Shubham Kavalkar, PhD Research Scholar at School of Law, Bennett University. Firstly, I was quite hesitant to take admission in Bennett as I thought it is a new university and will I able to compete with the national and international students. But all these prejudices went wrong and now after 1 year, I can truly say that I am a proud Bennettian. Bennett not only gives me the research and academic exposure but also the extracurricular as well. Like India Book of Record appreciated me for the highest degree holder person in India, 11 degrees at the age of 25 years. As a president of World Intellectual Society, non-profit government organization and working in the COVID-19 lockdown period, Forever Star India Award as an appreciation awarded me the Real Superhero Corona Warrior Award category Social Activist. For my exemplary research work in the field of law, Institute of Scholars awarded me Research Excellence Award and Young Achiever Award. Bennett has given me an opportunity to represent in the Young Scholars National Research Writing Competition where I qualified for the Best Paper Award. I have also participated in the international conference organized by Bennett itself on globalization of professional legal education constitutional prospectus where I presented my research paper on role of clinical legal education plus in evolving legal landscape of India. International Journal for Legal Research and Analysis published my book review titled Rethinking Judicial Reforms: Reflections on Indian Legal System. Recently, World Human Rights Protection Commission nominated me for the honorary doctorate in law and policy. Bennett has also given me some international exposure, like in my first semester only, I have participated in the 3-day seminar on mass atrocities and human rights organized by University of Stirling. In my second semester, I have completed legal writing course conducted by the Cornell Law School, USA. The most impressive thing in Bennett I found is that the renowned academic faculty, they are expertise in their subject and passionate about their research. I, from the core of my heart, express my sincere gratitude towards the Bennett and whatever the knowledge I am getting from the Bennett in a single word or in a single line I can describe is that is like Bhuto na Bhavishyati. Thank you so much, much humbled.